This is Nintendo Wii Remote Controller and Nunchuk. Well, obviously, as you can see. But the reason why I'm showing this is because I have just connected it up with my computer, and I can do pretty cool stuff with it. I can control the mouse with this. I can pretty much do anything with this. So I'm gonna just show some basic stuff that it's really connected. So, for example, let's see about these lights. And for example, you can talk to this. Hello. See? And I'm gonna ask it to light up number 3. Light up number 3. There we go. Release. Okay, this is actually not voice activated. I am just doing it from keyboard, as you can see. Other way around. And I will show you how it actually works. I'll just put it on my desk in here. And I will just show you the screen and how the stuff moves. So that's the remote and that's the mouse movement. So, and no, I'm not using the mouse if you're thinking that. So as you can see, my mouse is here and that's here. So there it is. And I can actually click on things with this. I have 2 buttons in here which I have mapped. Where's the mouse? Okay, there it is. Right click, and this is the left click. So I can click on things. If I click here, it goes away. So you can change the sensitivity of this thing. And what I was doing before is I was just playing around with the buttons. I'll try to put it in here. Okay, there we go. And if I press number 4, then this lights up. Let me turn the light off on the camera. Right, I have turned the light off for better viewing, so you can see the keys. As you can see, this is number 4. I'm pressing number 4. 3, 2, 1. 2 buttons at once. And this is how I was doing this trick. And it can do pretty awesome stuff actually. It can control everything else. I will show you in, I don't know where to show it exactly. But I think I would have to open Notepad or something. And show it in there. So that is the Notepad window. And I can't really type in there, but I haven't just mapped the keys yet, but I can do this. And here's the enter. I don't remember what was the enter key. I don't think I even had it. However, I do have some other keys in there. And if I go to my home page, for example, if I'm using these, the plus key is zoom in, as you can see, and minus is zoom out. This is also page up, page down. You can scroll with these, and I also have the arrow keys. So you can see the arrow keys are just up and down. I mean, this is the T-pad, and this controls the keyboard arrow keys. So just control with this. And this is Windows key. And for some reason it doesn't do anything. I don't know why. Maybe because it's stuck on the browser. So I'll put the mouse in there. No, something went wrong with this, but anyway, I'm just testing it, and this is how I just got it working for now. I can map everything basically what I want, so I'll show you just the thing I'm using in here. That's what I'm using. That's the script engine, Clawpy, and they can just move it around with this, as you can see. And release. Now the mouse moves. What? I think it crashed. Yeah, it crashed. So yeah, I have connected two of them up, and as usual I just map the keys on the keyboard, so I do like amazing stuff with two of them. This is quite amazing stuff actually. And I also have two of these, so they both control the mouse at the moment. You can see one of them is here, the other one is just faster. If I move it, this one is like really fast, and this one is slower. Where is it? Counting? Oh, there we go. This one is a bit faster, this one's slower. And that's the script I've been using for now. And this is just seriously awesome stuff to use at the time. I do actually have a third one, but I don't really have free hands, so I don't know what to do with all this stuff. Might use some flight simulator with these. That would be quite awesome actually, since these nunchucks, they have the tilt. If you tilt it this way or that way, then it reacts to it. So might use them as some helicopter controls or plane controls, that I hold it like this. I do this and this to control the helicopter. It's quite awesome stuff actually. I'm gonna probably test it out in the Arma 3 or maybe in DayZ, but I prefer Arma 3 actually, the alpha version, so I might test them in there and see how it's gonna be. Might be quite awesome actually. One of these can be view, throttle up, throttle down, stuff like this, or tilt forward, tilt backwards, bank left, bank right, and so with other one, these could be like some fire buttons or whatever. Basically I have two analogs and two, actually 4 axes. This is one axis and this is another one this way. So I will have 4 axes, 2 analogs and 4 buttons at the same time. We'll definitely try it out in some games and see how it's gonna turn out. Or maybe I will test it in GTA 4. Just all depends how to map the controls. Using this Cloud-by application, you can actually map keyboard buttons as analogs on the games. So for example, if you press like W, it's not analog, it's digital, it's just either 0% or 100%. So you can't actually adjust the speed. Like with this, I can go really slow if I just press it slowly, or if I press it all the way it goes faster. Well, that's obvious, but with keyboard you can't do that. However, if in some games you can't map the keys on the controller, then you can just use normal keys and remap them on this as analogs, not as digital. So I haven't tested it yet, but it should work just fine in any game, so I hope it's gonna be really cool, and I will update the videos, I will update the description and stuff, so keep your eye on them and let's see what's gonna happen. Well, anyway, if you want to know how to do this, how to connect your Nintendo Wii Remote Controller and Nunchuk to computers, so just check the description. I will put some links in there, and anyone can do that. However, you do need the Bluetooth dongle for that, so you have to get from an eBay or your local store or something. They're really cheap, so you just need to buy one of these and off you go.